Unlock the game, the world of arcade sticks. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of gaming culture, the arcade stick. Whether you're a language learner or a gaming enthusiast, understanding this phrase can be both fun and informative. Let's level up our knowledge together. An arcade stick is a type of game controller that mimics the control panels found in arcade machines. It typically consists of a joystick and a series of buttons. They are favored for their precision and are often used for fighting games, where quick and accurate movements are crucial. Arcade sticks have a rich history that dates back to the earliest arcade cabinets. They were designed to withstand frequent and vigorous use. Over time, they've evolved from simple sticks to complex pieces of gaming hardware with customizable buttons, layouts, and artwork. In today's gaming world, arcade sticks are not just remnants of the past, they're a vital part of competitive gaming. They offer a different experience compared to traditional gamepads, often preferred in the competitive scenes of games like Street Fighter and Tekken. Many gamers swear by arcade sticks for their tactile feedback and reliability. They argue that the stick offers a more authentic and engaging gaming experience, especially for games that originated in the arcade. If you're considering getting an arcade stick, think about compatibility with your gaming system, the layout of the buttons, the weight and size of the stick, and how customizable it is. There's a whole community out there dedicated to modding and customizing arcade sticks to one's personal preference. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what an arcade stick is and why it remains a beloved part of gaming culture. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just curious about the term, arcade sticks are a great example of how gaming hardware has shaped the experience of play. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video!